Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we show how to activate Automatic 0. This feature will automatically grade an activity 0 after the due date. In this demo we will focus on drop boxes. Let's get started. Click on the Grades tab in the course nav bar. If we have not yet set up the gradebook, we will find the Automatic 0 option in Step 3 Grade Calculations when we use the Grade Setup wizard. In this demo we will assume that we have already set up the gradebook. Click on Settings in the upper right corner. Click on the Calculation Options tab. Scroll down until we see the Automatic 0 for Missing Submissions option. Check the box beneath to activate this option. Then click on Save. Now, when we create a due date for a graded activity, D2L will automatically grade it 0 if the student does not submit it by the due date. Let's see this in action. We will create a Dropbox quickly. Then we will connect it to the gradebook. From there, we will set the due date to now. Then click on Save and Close. Next, go to the gradebook. After a minute, we can reload the gradebook. We can see that the grades were automatically marked 0 without needing to do anything. Additionally, note that using Automatic 0 will have different feedback depending on whether or not an assignment has an end date. I will quickly create a couple of more assignments, one with only a due date and the other with a due date and an end date. Then go back to the Grades tab and wait about a minute. Let's take a look at the student grade preview. Click on the drop-down to the right of any student's name in the gradebook. Then select Preview. If there is only a due date on an assignment, it will have a message to the effect of, "This activity is overdue, complete it now." The grade item will also have overdue in the completion status column. If we used Automatic 0 and provided feedback, only the feedback will appear. If there's a due date and an end date, only our feedback will appear. Otherwise, it will be left blank. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.